Sorry, I can see here Ginza line, Central Gate 1F. 1F means first floor. Ginza G line I have to take. Even I can take Ibia line, but better I will take Ginza line. See how beautiful is the walkway to go to Ginza line in Uno station. So there are two lines here. So I am taking this Ginza line, Ginza subway. So Tokyo, to see you can see Tokyo Skytree for Asakusa, Ibia line, two lines. But I take this Ginza line. So it is very famous #1 tourist spot in Tokyo. So that's why they have put this priority. So Ginza line 35 meters right side you can see. So Ginza Hibiya line straight. I can also take that one. But this is most, I think it is better this. So I have to use my Suica card to enter into Ginza line. See you later. I just missed a train within maybe less than 20 seconds. I was late. So again I have to wait for another train. So see, another train is coming in 3 minutes. It's platform 2. So now it is 3:29 p.m. So today is April 1st, 2025. So I have to go to Asakusa. From Asakusa I have to take another line to go to Tokyo Skytree. This is clearly displayed. So I am in Uno station. That is G16 and Ginza line. Number is 16. So it starts from Shibuya 1 where my hotel is. So it comes to Uno. This is 16. So then it goes to Inaricho, Tawaramachi and Asakusa. Asakusa from here it's only 5 minutes. But again I have to take another line. Tobu Skytree line. So you can see TS from Asakusa. So this is Tokyo. So you can see Tokyo Metro network. It is very complex, very busy, very, we have to study and we have to, so we have to spend some time and we have to give some time so that we can travel from different metro lines. It is not straight. It is coming now. I have just missed it. Within 2 minutes, 3 minutes it came. So it is going to Asakusa. So it looks like train is busy. So it is only 5 minutes. So not a problem, not an issue. Without this metro network, Tokyo metro network, just Tokyo life in Tokyo will stop. It will not move. So I have to wait in the queue, otherwise I should let them go and then I have to follow them. I will stand here. So it is easy. This is Ginza line going to Asakusa. So from there I have to change it to Tokyo Skytree TS line. So I have to take Tobu Skytree line. So this is exit 4. Tokyo Skytree. So 4. I can see one structure similar to our structure created by KCR in front of Secretariat for Telangana, who have dedicated their life to market for Telangana. So we can see Tokyo Skytree. So it is full of clouds, but I have to visit. There is no option. So because I am going back tomorrow, I am going to Osaka tomorrow. So there is no. I have ordered onion rings, king size and tea, hot tea with milk. So it is 550 yen. So I am eating this facing Sensoji temple. So my right side is Tokyo Skytree. I will first finish Sensoji temple for maybe 10 minutes. Then I go to Skytree. Tokyo in rain. You can see the buildings like Europe. Kamiaba, Tobu Hotel, Ekimai's building, Matsuya building, Mimaru Suits, another hotel. So, this is close to Sensoji temple, a very, very famous temple. So I had onion rings and tea at Burger King. You can see Skytree, Tokyo Skytree. So first I will visit temple, then I go to Skytree. So the rickshaw ride in Tokyo. Rickshaw guy, yeah. Just for fun. So you can see typical Japanese street or shopping. This is the way to go to Sensoji Temple. So I am going to visit Sensoji Temple, that is important landmark in Tokyo. So I would have visited yesterday, but I was very much passionate, interested to take bullet trains. So whole day I have spent traveling in bullet trains. So it doesn't matter. So I have to stretch today because tomorrow anyhow I am leaving. So I leave it a little bit, maybe 9, 9:30, 10 if I am tired. So there is nothing to do after going home, after going to hostel. So just sleeping, eating and sleeping, taking my dinner and sleeping. So see how it looks. This is the way to go to Sensoji Temple. See the shops. They are posh. They are excellent. They are Japanese style. You can see sakura flowers everywhere planted. Yeah, this now looks like a Japan, proper Japan. Like at Kyoto, with Japanese old villages. Hopefully weather would get better when I go to Kyoto. So I heard that Osaka is weather in Osaka is bit better compared to weather in Tokyo. So let me see. See there everyone is with umbrella, but I don't have a habit of carrying an umbrella. So that is really bad, and I can't record also if I carry umbrella. So already carrying in bag is too much. So whole day. So this is typical Japanese street shops, whatever you can say. So, see, they're in their original costumes, Japanese costumes. See them. Very traditional. Very nice. So you can see there is a Sensoji temple. So no bicycles from here, only pedestrians. So because it is a temple, so they want to maintain the sanctity of the temple. So this is very important for Japanese people. So I have to study about this temple and their culture, their gods. So I think they are Shintoism, if I'm not wrong. So there are two religions they follow, either Buddhism or Shintoism. This might be Shintoism. This is Sensoji temple. So this is a temple complex. So this is the entrance, one more entrance this side. So it is freezing cold and it is raining. So it's a big complex. It will take at least maybe 2-3 hours to visit it completely, but I don't have time. So I'm already late, running late today. So I have to cover 3-4 more places. Yes, like Ginza, Akihabara, so Ikebukuro, Shinjuku, and Tokyo Skytree. So I'm running really late. Rickshaw?
Yes, rickshaw.
Oh, okay, good.
Would you like to take the rickshaw?
Later. People crossing the road at Tokyo Skytree, near Tokyo Skytree. So I have to take this Asakusa station. So you can see It's Tokyo Sky Tree, 1400 meters. So Sakusa station. So I have to take the line, metro line. I can't walk for 1400 meters in this rain. It's too much.